Once upon a time, in a galaxy far, far away, lived a kind and magical queen named Queen Watevra Wa'Nabi. She ruled over the vibrant planet of Meow-Meow-Nabit with love and care. One day, Queen Watevra Wa'Nabi noticed that her planet was running low on its primary source of energy, the legendary Starborn Fruit. The Starborn Fruit was a rare and precious fruit that only grew once every 100 years. Queen Watevra Wa'Nabi decided to embark on a journey to find the Starborn Fruit. She gathered her loyal friends, Paw-Paw the Cat, Whiskers the Rabbit, and Flecks the Bird, and together they set off on their adventure. They traveled through the lush forests, crossed the sparkling rivers, and climbed the tallest mountains. Along the way, they faced many challenges, but with Queen Watevra Wa'Nabi's wisdom and her friends' bravery, they overcame each one. Finally, they reached the mystical Starborn tree, where the Starborn Fruit was growing. Queen Watevra Wa'Nabi reached up and plucked the Starborn Fruit from the tree. With the Starborn Fruit in her hands, Queen Watevra Wa'Nabi returned to Meow-Meow-Nabit. The Starborn Fruit's energy was shared throughout the planet, restoring the vibrancy and life that had been lost. From that day on, Queen Watevra Wa'Nabi and her friends were celebrated as heroes. The story of their adventure was told for generations, inspiring kindness, bravery, and the power of friendship. And so, Queen Watevra Wa'Nabi continued to rule over Meow-Meow-Nabit with love, ensuring that the planet remained a vibrant, joyful place for all its inhabitants. And they all lived happily ever after. The end. Good night, dear children. May your dreams be filled with stars and adventure like Queen Watevra Wa'Nabi's. Sweet dreams.